Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. I'm Omotola. If you're new here, you are welcome. Please consider subscribing and hit the bell notification button so that you always get notified every single time I drop a new video. I upload a variety of content here on YouTube, ranging from DIY videos, crafts such as this flower, paper, tissue flowers, this vase here. I also do hairstyle videos like the one I have on. I make mom vlogs. There's a variety of videos to choose from, so please click on the bell notification button so that you always get notified every single time I release a new video. And of course, if you're a returning subscriber, I would like to thank you for tuning in again. So today I will be unboxing yet another ring light. This is bigger and far better than the one I got previously. So I will leave a link to that video in the description box, as well as up here in the card. There should be a pop-up card here somewhere. I will leave it a link to that video so that you can go and check it out. It was a very affordable ring light for me at the time. I got it on AliExpress, but with COVID and the cost of shipping and every other thing that has gone up, it is ridiculous to order anything right now on AliExpress. Let's not even dive into the time that it takes for the ring light to get here. But anyways, let's just get into the unboxing and I will show you exactly what this box looks like, what the ring light looks like inside, and all the amazing components that it comes with. Okay, so this is what the new ring light looks like. It is also a Chinese product, as you can see from the packaging. There is no name on it. It comes with a tripod. It's relatively big and it is taller than me. This thing is so durable and it's quite weighty. Not so heavy, but it's very durable. It is bigger, it is better, and the quality is far better than the old one that I was using. Let me just show you what the old ring light looks like and the new ring light, what it looks like. Okay, so I'll just get into unboxing this ring light so you see what it looks like inside. Okay, so this is what the ring light looks like inside. It is way bigger. I think it's about 4 or 5 times bigger than the old one. This is what it looks like. This is the ring light. Back here, there are two, although these are written in Chinese, but these two buttons, one is for the mode and the other one is for the intensity of the light. And here we have the charger port, and here is a USB port that I can use to charge my phone while I film. So this is far better, and this doesn't have that ball head like the first one had. So this has an adjustable head. I'll set it up right now so you see what it looks like. And this one here is to secure the ring light head to the stand. So here is the charger. It comes in this small box. This is what this looks like. It's actually quite long, so it can accommodate for the height of the ring light because it is really tall. Doesn't say how tall it is here on the packaging, but it's taller than I am. And inside it, again, we have these three phone holders. Let me take one out so you see what it looks like. And this just goes in here, and there's 3 slots. There are 3 slots for each one, so there's 3 of that come with the ring light, with the remote. So because this ring light is really tall, and I keep emphasizing that it's really tall, I'll show you how tall it is in a minute so you understand why I keep emphasizing that it's really tall. It comes with this remote, and It has the power button, as of course. It has the on and off, and this is for the night mode. Now we can adjust the intensity of the light over here, and also here we can adjust the mode. Yeah, the mode, and of course the sectioning. So I don't fully understand all of the functions on this remote because, like I said, this ring light does not come with a manual. It would have been nice to have a manual to understand how to use, especially with this remote, but I guess I'm just going to have to figure it out on my own. And of course the last thing is this tripod stand. It is so durable. I don't know if, okay, for those of you who have seen the unboxing of my wig stand, it is as durable as that wig stand. So this is what this comes in, and right here is the tripod. I think I'm just going to have to show you a demonstration of how to set this thing up. So let's get to it, guys. So that is almost it for this video. I just forgot to mention that there is a 6-month warranty for this ring light. So if I start to notice that there is any fault that develops, I can always take it back to the tech store, because that is where my husband got it from, and we can have it changed for a new one, or they can take a look at the problem and fix it. So I think that is one of the advantages that I really like about buying this kind of gadgets from a physical store as opposed to buying on AliExpress. So I'm currently filming with both lights. This is the new one. It is the one that is directly above my head, and the one facing me with the contrast of the natural light is the old ring light. So yes, I would say that the disadvantages of buying online versus buying from a physical store is quite the margin is actually quite large. So what I'm most especially excited about is this remote, where I can actually control the setting of the ring light from where I am sitting, as opposed to having to stand up and physically go and operate the ring light. Yes, I would definitely advise anyone who's looking to start YouTube with some money to actually walk into a physical store and buy a ring light, as opposed to paying online, because I was actually quite disappointed when I got this light. I think I mentioned that in the review that I did for the unboxing. Yeah, so the dimensions and all of that were written on their site, but you know, you can visually imagine the ring light until it actually gets to your doorstep. So when I got this ring light in the mail, I was actually disappointed about the size. It looked smaller than I had imagined, and there are also some components of the that ring light that and not so durable like the tripod. The tripod was a real and major issue because it wasn't so durable, and I had to make sure that the ring light was at a certain angle so that the tripod can accommodate the weight or the tilt of the ring light. So it served its purpose. Let me not run it down completely. It served its purpose, but it was lacking in some areas, as opposed to this one that is a lot more durable. The tripod is a lot more stronger, and I can do virtually anything. Even my videos, my DIY videos that I record mostly at night, I can do so much more now because the intensity of this light is much stronger as opposed to the old one. So if you found this video helpful, please leave me a comment. If I missed anything, or you have certain questions that you would like to ask, please do that in the comment section. I do my best to respond to every single comment. And if you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. It does two things for me. It gives me encouragement to keep putting out videos, and it also helps my video get to other parts of the world. So you will be doing me a huge favor by clicking on that like button, and subscribe if you haven't done so. Of course, subscribe if you haven't done so already. It will really help to grow the number here. We are growing. We are over 400 subscribers now. I just want to say thank you to everyone who has stuck with me up until now. And that is it for this video, guys. I will see you in the next one. Goodbye.